In this video, we'll show you how to use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. I will explain you step by step, and before we start, we need to go to the Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search DeepSeek Janitor AI Reddit and open the first result. Later, we will use this guide to copy the proxy URL from here. So let's go back to Open Router. First of all, we need to create the API key, click your profile in the top right and go to the settings, and right here go to the API keys. I already created my API key, but I will show you how to create another one. So just click create right here, name it, for example, I will name it a janitor test, and then we need to choose the expiration. For example, I will choose no expiration, and let's click the create button. So right here is our API key. So we can copy this API key. Later we will use it on Janitor AI. And before we will go to the Janitor AI, we need to click account right here. We need to scroll down and go to the default provider sort right here. We need to click on open. And first of all, we need to set DeepSeek as a default model. Click no default right here and find DeepSeek. Here is the search bar. You can write DeepSeek in the search. And in this example, I will choose this one, Air10528, which is free version. And now everything is ready to connect to Janitor AI. So let's go to Janitor AI. Let's click using Janitor in the top and then click on proxy, then click add configuration, and right here we need to set up the configuration. So first of all, we need to name it. For example, I will name it DeepSeek test. Then we need to enter the model name. We can copy the model name from this Reddit article. So right here is the model name. We also need to enter the proxy URL, which is right here, and paste it right here. And now we need to enter the API key and then click on add configuration. And as you can see, configuration added. So then we can click on save settings and click on yes. So that's how you can use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.